Hello, my name is Albert Evans, and I'm an attorney with the law firm of Finelli Evans and Patel. I am often asked, when should I contact an attorney? And the answer to that question is as soon as there is an event in your life that creates a legal issue. For example, if you are injured, you or a family member are injured, you want to call an attorney for multiple reasons. One of the first reasons is to make sure that the incident is properly investigated. You need to make sure that your rights are protected and the proper evidence is gathered. The second reason you would hire an attorney in that instance is to make sure that any medical expenses you have are properly paid. Another reason why you would hire an attorney is also to make sure that any lost wages are taken care of in a prompt manner. And the last probably reason that you would hire an attorney at that time is because the quicker you hire an attorney, the more rapidly your case gets moved forward to resolution to get you the compensation you're entitled to. Now, another reason why you would hire an attorney is if you're purchasing a house. You would want to have an attorney involved at the beginning of the purchase to make sure that a contract is created that will protect your rights. You will also want to make sure that you have an attorney there at settlement or at closing when you actually buy the house to make sure that everything is properly signed and that you have a good title to the property. Another time you would contact an attorney is if you are going to be involved in any type of business transaction. You want to talk to an attorney early when you start a business transaction because you want to make sure that your interests are protected and they're properly contained in a written agreement that if either party decides to renege or change the agreement, that you are protected and that the agreement can be enforced to your benefit. Also, if you're going to lease a property, you want to have an attorney review your lease to make sure that you understand the full rights and remedies. The last thing you would want, time you would want to contact an attorney early is if you were ever charged with a criminal violation. Before you'd ever speak to a police officer, you would want to speak to an attorney to make sure that you understood what the procedure and make sure your rights were protected. It is essential that anytime you have an event that you believe that creates a legal issue, that you contact an attorney promptly so that you are treated fairly and receive justice. Thank you.